video, we're going to talk about the characteristic of series circuit and the parallel circuit. So for series circuit, let's say we have something like this. We have two resistors in series. This is a power source. This is E, this is R1, R2. Since there's only one path that can flow, so IT equal to I1 equal to I2. And U or E equals V1 plus V2. And the ratio of V1 over V2 equal R1 over R2. So the greater the resistor, the greater voltage drop. So for parallel circuit, let's say we have two resistors in parallel, something like this. We have the power source here. This is E, this is R1, R2. Since in parallel, so the voltage are the same. E equal to E, V1 equal to V2. The current here, IT, will equal to I1 plus I2. And the ratio for I1 over I2 will equal to R2 over R1. So here, the greater resistor will have less current. And the total resistance RT will be R1, R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So the common form of the formula is 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. And they all have the formula. There are a few formulas. Let's say Ohm's law. I equals E over R. And from that we can get R equals E divided by I. We can also get E equal to I times R. So for power, P equal to EUI. We can also have I square R. We can also have U squared divided by R. That is for power. Okay, this is everything for this video. Thank you for watching.